Imagine a world where the taste of perfectly al dente pasta, coated in a rich, fragrant sauce, can be conjured in your own kitchen. Picture a plate piled high with strands of spaghetti, tubes of penne, or spirals of fusilli, all made from scratch. Yes, you heard that right. Homemade pasta, a culinary delight that not only tastes exquisite but also exudes versatility in its myriad forms. The journey of transforming simple ingredients like flour and eggs into a culinary masterpiece begins with making a well in the center of 2 cups of all-purpose flour spread out on a clean, flat surface. Into this well, crack 2 large eggs, a pinch of salt, and a drizzle of olive oil. Now, imagine plunging your fingers into this well, breaking the yolks and gradually incorporating the flour. It's a tactile and almost therapeutic process, kneading the dough until it's smooth and elastic. This could take about 10 minutes, but it's time well spent. Next, the dough needs to rest. Picture it wrapped snugly in cling film, sitting at room temperature, its gluten relaxing for about 30 minutes. This resting period is crucial. It's what makes the pasta dough pliable and easy to roll out. After the dough has rested, it's time to roll it out. Visualize a rolling pin in your hand, pressing and stretching the dough until it's thin enough to see your hand through it. Alternatively, imagine feeding the dough through the rollers of a pasta machine, adjusting the thickness setting until the pasta sheet achieves the desired thinness. Once the dough is rolled out, it's time to shape the pasta. Picture cutting the pasta sheet into strips for fettuccine, or squares for ravioli, or maybe you'd like to roll it around a rod to create macaroni. The possibilities are endless, and that's the beauty of homemade pasta. Finally, it's time to cook the pasta. Envision a pot of boiling water, lightly salted, waiting to receive your pasta creations. In they go, cooking until they're perfectly al dente, firm yet tender to the bite. And voila, there you have it! Homemade pasta, ready to be tossed in your favorite sauce, or simply dressed with a drizzle of good olive oil and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. In summary, making pasta at home involves mixing flour and eggs to form a dough, kneading it until smooth, letting it rest, rolling it out, shaping it, and then boiling it. It's a process that requires time and patience, but the end result is a plate of pasta that's not just delicious, but also a testament to your culinary prowess. So the next time you're craving pasta, consider making it from scratch. It's a journey of taste and texture, a testament to the magic that simple ingredients can create when combined with a little time and effort. After all, nothing compares to the satisfaction of biting into a piece of pasta that you've made yourself. It's a culinary adventure that's well worth embarking on.